Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact name and role so readers aren't confused. Print on durable stock. Next, pick an attachment method: pin for blazers, magnet for delicate fabrics, or lanyard for quick swaps, because comfort and safety matter. Once done, position the name tag at chest level, landscape orientation, and readable from 3 to 6 feet. This early positioning gives immediate recognition and saves awkward introductions, so make sure the font size and contrast are clear before moving to interactions. When you're engaging, angle the tag slightly toward the other person so they can see it without staring. This simple adjustment reduces name-related awkwardness. Once you begin, say the person's name early in the sentence to reinforce recall and establish rapport. People remember names when repeated naturally. If you move or change clothing, discreetly adjust or swap the tag so it stays visible. Doing these steps maintains clarity about roles and helps networking flow smoothly, especially in crowded settings. To finish, remove the name tag and store it in a dedicated place or return borrowed ones promptly. This prevents loss and protects identity. If someone misreads the tag, correct them politely, then reissue a clearer label right away. Use higher contrast or larger type. For attachment problems like magnet slipping, switch to a pin or add adhesive backing to secure it. These final steps close the loop and handle common failures, so your name tags stay effective and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.